Hello, friends. To initiate meditation, the seeker has to find a silent, calm, clean, and airy place to sit and meditate. The meditation may also be done at any park or any yoga center. It is highly recommended to stay empty stomach or at least 2 hours after meal or at least 1 hour after light snacks. We also recommend non-disturbance of any mobile phone or any other calling devices. The seeker may use music or headphone as per his convenience. To start the meditations, one has to clearly note down that this is a very special session of meditation which will take about 8 to 10 minutes subject to the flow and comfort of practitioner. Here timing is not important, but staying in the meditative state is very important. Please also note that against the popular belief of stopping of thoughts is called meditations, we here recommend let the thoughts come and go, but you, the seeker, the practitioner, remain unaffected or indifferent. The meditation has many forms and way. Here we start sound-based meditations and chanting of Om as a universal sound is what meditation is based on, and meditation is performed on 7 chakras followed by Shanti of all chakras. The sitting posture of this meditation is recommended as Vajrasana or Virasana. If the practitioner is not comfortable enough to sit in that posture, then he can choose his own comfortable posture. The seeker must have practiced Ashwani Mudra and Moola Bandha, or at least have clear understanding of these mudra and practices. It is also recommended to perform pranayama before meditations, that includes Anulom Vilom, Nadi Sodhan, Vastrika Pranayam, and most importantly Tribandha Pranayam. Now sit in Vajrasana, straighten your backbone while contracting your anus. Take a long, slow, deep breath and focus on your Mooladhara chakra and start chanting Om in the proportion of 80%, O 10% and 10%. So the composition of Om chanting will be 80%, 10%, 10%. Now relax and repeat this for total number of 4 times maximum. The mudra of your hand shall remain in Gyan Mudra or Vayu Mudra. After 4 repetitions of Mooladhara meditations, you just relax and calm. Now moving on to another chakra meditation. Sitting posture remains same with straightened backbone. The hand mudra will now change from Gyan mudra to Buddha mudra, placing your hands beside your thighs and now contracting your anus, and take long, slow, deep breath and chant Om with around 70% of Ah, 20% of O and 10% of So the composition of Om will be 70, 20 and 10. While chanting, Moola Bandha will remain closed and only unlocks after the completion of one chant. And again repeat for total number of 4 times. And during chanting, your focus will be on Swadhisthana chakra, which lies little above one's genital or vagina. Here Swadhisthana chakra meditation is now complete. Now moving on to next. Sitting posture remains same. Now mudra will change, as hands will be gently placed to cover your nabhi or belly button completely. Same rules be followed. Contracting your anus and taking long, slow, deep breath in and chanting Om with the composition of equal amount of and O with rest 10%. So the composition of Om will be 45 plus 45 and 10. Focus remain in the belly button. Repeat this maximum for 4 times. this Manipura Chakra meditations complete. Now relax and calm and move on to the next chakra meditations called Anahat Chakra. While sitting postures remain same, mudra will move and left hands and fingers in Gyan Mudra, placing it on the left chest gently while contracting anus, taking slow deep breath. Om chanting starts with A for 10%, O for 80% and for 10%. Focus entirely on your heart. Repeat the same for total number of 4 times. And complete it. Now relax and calm. We moving on to next chakra meditations called Vishuddhi Chakra. The sitting posture remains same. Join hands, both hands in Namaste Mudra in such a way that both the thumbs touch lower part of your throat gently. Now contracting anus, take long slow deep breath and chant A for 10%, O for 10% and for 80%. That is, the composition of Om chanting will be A for 10%, O for 10% and for 80%. Repeat for 4 times maximum and relax. There, the chakra of 5 elements end and spiritual chakras meditation start. The beginners are always advised to start with 1 and go up to 4 repetitions for any chakra meditations. Now move on to 6th chakra, the Agni chakra, the third eye chakra. The sitting posture remains same. Contracting your anus, breathe in slowly, deeply, and place your index finger between the eyebrows, the place of third eye, gently, without any force, and focus At the point, now chant Om with 10%, O 10% and 80%. Repeat for up to 4 times. Now relax and calm. Third eye chakra meditation is complete. Move on to the last chakra meditations, that is crown chakra or sahasrara chakra meditations. But beginners are requested not to perform the 7th chakra until sufficiently practiced the previous chakras meditation. The 7th chakra meditation, that is crown chakra, the postures will remain same as in the 6th chakra, that is third eye chakra, and index finger be placed gently on the between the eyebrows. Focus will be on sahasrara chakra, which lies in the middle of the head. Take long deep breath while contracting your anus, backbone straight, and focus completely on sahasrara chakra. Repeat this for 4 times maximum. And calm and relax. The 7th chakra meditation is now complete. Relax and calm. Now, the Shanti of all 7 chakras is to be performed by the practitioner or seeker. By rubbing the hands, generating heat, and circulating massage on your head, followed by circulating massage on your third eye, then followed to throat and face massage, then again rubbing your hands, generating heats, and rubbing or circulating massage in the heart region or the left chest, then again on the belly button, then on Swadhisthana chakra, and finally by rubbing hands in the Mooladhara chakra. These activities now pacify all the chakras into their position. And now this completes the Shakti Om Chakrayam. Please note that practitioners or seekers are not supposed to change any step or exceed or deviate from what is told here to gain the maximum benefit. You will feel light, you will feel strong, you will feel together with oneness. This is Shakti Om Chakrayam. Thank you so much.